nature heals itself. Amid the silence, we hear songs of enlightenment and feel the warm embrace of peace. Silence has a voice. It speaks audibly to those who approach its sanctuary. Using the gift of silence, coupled with clean air from trees and the beautiful view that comes with landscape and vegetation, nature scrubs and peels away pains, bitterness, and sadness. It opens us up to love, awe, and humor. In this way, nature reminds humans that we are a part of it. So, take a step back and watch the trees you cut grow new branches on the stump left behind. Watch the animals reclaim their space. The damage that civilization has done to nature is numerous. However, nature rejuvenates itself in diverse ways. For instance, our carbon footprint has different channels as its sink. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food and produce the oxygen we need for survival. The sea dissolves carbon dioxide and uses it to make carbonates for shells. These processes also help to regulate atmospheric temperature. The more oxygen in the atmosphere, the colder the air around us. Even in cases where the damage to nature is extreme, like in the case of Chernobyl and other locations that have witnessed the devastation from the explosion of nuclear plants, nature builds itself up again. The vegetation is green and animals roam the streets once again. Oil spill kills numerous aquatic lives each year, yet the ocean never fails to yield more life. What about what happens when you bruise your knee? The wound heals and new flesh and skin replace the lost or dead ones. Nature, indeed, is wired to heal itself, though the process may be slow. The cliche, "give it time," is just what nature needs. Given time, it returns everything to its place. However, nature achieves this by growing new members or developing new ways. It goes to say that sustaining nature and her resources is our responsibility. Therefore, if it ain't broken, do not break it. Ensure your activities are not destructive to the environment. If it is broken, do something about it. Plant a tree to revegetate. Return animals to their habitat. Keep your garbage away from drainage systems and water bodies. If it is broken, and there is nothing you can do about it, give it time. Nature will find a way to rejuvenate itself. Do not interrupt the process. The same holds for us humans. Give yourself some time to heal. You are a part of nature.